So we've got this home hub, we've got all these devices in there. There's one other change that I've made, and that's to use this hasattr, has attribute function, to try and detect what we can do with certain devices. Okay, so the big change compared to the previous versions is that we've got devices that can now be turned up and down. Okay, so previously we just had devices that can be turned on and off. Now we've got devices that can be turned up and down. So the spotlight, the heating, the music player can go up and down, and also the music player can be played or paused. So different devices have different methods that are available. And what we can do is check whether a device has a particular method by using this has attribute. Has attribute is just short for has attribute function, and we check that with the object and the method name, and it'll return true if the object dot method name exists. So if I want to check whether heating dot up is possible, I can do hasattr heating or device, and then the method name being up, and that will then check to see whether that object has the attribute, either a method or a name, or a bit of data. So let's see that in our code. So the code block that now does the user commands or parses them is like this. So if it hasn't located the device, it'll just say, sorry, I don't understand that. But assuming it has, then it looks at the command, and if it's got on or off, well, they've all got switch on or off. So we don't need to check whether a device has switch on or switch off. We can just call the methods switch on, switch off. But if not, we can look at the command. If it's got up and the chosen device has the up method available, then we can call device.chosen.up. If the user's asked to for the device to go down in the command, and that device, the chosen device, has the down method, we can call chosen method device.chosen.down. Okay. And similar for the play and pause, we check whether the device is chosen. So we're not, at this point in the code, we're not really looking at what the device is. We're just seeing whether it's able to do something. If it's not able to do that, if we can't find an option where we match the command and the device, then we just say, sorry, I do not understand that. So here's the example output when we do that. You can see at the top here, the heating is switched on, okay, and you can see it's confirming it's on, its temperature. We can turn the temperature up. But if I try and get the heating to play, I can only use the play command for the music player. So obviously heating play doesn't make any sense to the system, and it tries to find the play method for that heating device. It won't find it, so the has attribute will return false, and so it will say, sorry Chris, I do not understand that. And now we can do the same thing with the music player. We can do music player on, we can do music player up, but now when we say music player play, it'll set it to playing, and it'll set the volume, so just confirm the volume. So it's this hasattr is able to look at each object in a more generic way, and not actually, we don't have to know what the object is. We just have to see whether it can do the chosen thing. Okay, so that's quite a nice feature of having these objects. We can see what they're able to do. We don't have to, we don't have to decide what object it is, what type of object it is. We can just see what it's able to do. I'm going to finish this video here, and then we'll finish the lecture off with a pizza example.